Let's go around the world, just you and me, we can see it all. Let's go and live our dream, just you and me.
Hey guys.
Hello.
We just thought we'd touch base with you guys. We're heading over to Asheville today. We're going to get our truck serviced for its checkup, and thought we would take you guys along. We're actually being directed to go over Highway 64, which actually goes over the Appalachian Trail where the Winding Stair Gap is. But we'll be going through Franklin and everything, and so we just thought we'd show you some of the views. It's absolutely gorgeous drive, and so we thought we'd share. But hope you guys have a great day. We'll be back with you guys soon. Till then, have a good one.
See you.
It's the calm before the storm. It's very quiet. That's another campground host, as you can see on the sign. But there's nobody here, which is beautiful. But we're getting ready for winter storm that's coming in. Supposedly it's going to bring a lot of ice and freezing rain and all that stuff. So as you can see, this is our little house. I've shown you guys before, but this time I'm showing you guys because we had gotten the wrap on it like the day after that other video showed. And this is the wrap that goes around the bottom of it. And it helps to keep the freezing temperatures out. We do have a 4-season, like I mentioned before, meaning that the underbelly is closed in to help keep everything from freezing. But that doesn't mean it's going to completely do that. But with a wrap like this, it's a protectant to help extra keep it out, help to keep the warm in. As you can see, like on our window, we have reflectant in the windows, like 2 layers of that to help with the warmth. We just filled up our water tank again, and we've got this goes over the water. The water spigot. I'll show you here in a second. But anyway, it goes over the water spigot to keep it from freezing. It has Velcro bottom. It's weatherproof and all that good stuff, but that's how that goes. As you can see, we've got all this, and it's wrapped around the side. And it's our canopy. And we got stuff in there in the canopy that doesn't, ruin or anything like that. As you can see, we got reflected in that window. We already had a cover inside for the door window, but this is what it looks like here. And then we have brought 2 extra propanes, the one that's full that's here, and we have just filled up water from our hose right there, you can see. And yeah, we have inside water that we use a pump to drink out of. We have 2 of those full and everything, so we're getting there. We're pretty ready. But anyway, y'all stay safe. And I forgot to mention that we do have 2 power banks. One of them is very large. The other one is a smaller one, but we have both of those plugged up and ready to go, charged up for probably last us about 5 days. So hopefully it won't take that. So we bought us some yak tracks yesterday. We have something similar, but they are in our storage building. So these were at Neil Gap. We figured we might could use them in the next few days, but also the trails will probably be pretty icy for a little while, especially in the coves and stuff. So we thought we'd go ahead and get some. But if you don't know about yak tracks, look them up. It says yak tracks. But they're great to keep traction in stuff like this. And I mean, they're like $20 a piece. Not too expensive, and definitely worth it if you want to save yourself from falling and getting really hurt. So anyway, talk to you later. The campground is so beautiful, especially when no one's around. Thought we would just go on a little drive up the hill so you could see what it looked like with all the trees and nature. It's so beautiful.